In this video, I'm going to show you how to duet on TikTok. So basically, duetting is your reaction to a TikTok, like a video side by side. So to duet to somebody, open up your TikTok and then click on the share button. Now, some creators have turned off duets. As you can see, this one turned it off and we can do a duet. If we scroll down, let's say this video, we can do a duet. Basically, just click on duet and then it starts loading the video. You need to wait a few seconds, depending on how long the video is. And as you can see, here is my reaction and here is the video, and then you can do whatever you want and basically duet the video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.